What's up, YouTube? Long time no see. For some of you may have noticed, I wasn't posting much last year. If you're on the Atlantic Flyway, we got reduced last year to 30-day season, one goose. Really wasn't worth making videos. We hunted, still grinded it out, but it's just hard to make something out of nothing when you only could shoot one bird. Most of our hunts were over pretty quick last year, and it just really wasn't video worthy. The year before we were at 2 birds, so I really wasn't posting as much, but we're back to 45 days, 3 birds this year. So didn't get our full 60 days, but it's at least worth trying to make something out of something. So I figure start back up with some videos again. It should be a pretty good season. We had actually a real good season last year, even with the reduction. We had a trip up into Canada that worked out pretty good. Went to Oklahoma, which worked out really well. So we're going back to both of those this year. Also have some videos from Saskatchewan this year coming up later in October, Oklahoma in January. We got the boys down in Nebraska this year. So it should be pretty cool, pretty good season. I plan on videoing a lot. Just keep in mind, most of these videos you're gonna see are GoPro. I do have my bigger camera, but most will be the GoPro. Some of the footage is gonna be pretty decent, some not so good, some better than others. So just keep in mind, we're not professionals. We're not trying to be professionals. Just a bunch of guys that like to hunt, get together and have a good time. We're not really looking to make a name for ourselves, and you know, just kind of go out and have fun and do what we can. So try to make the video as good as possible. And like I said, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. Sometimes we shoot great, sometimes we don't. But you know, if you don't like me, you don't like my videos, you don't like how we run our dogs, you don't like the way I call, clothes we wear, then don't watch. It's that simple. I'm not out here trying to impress anybody by any means. I'm not trying to gain anything from this. So just out trying to have some fun, shoot some birds. So if you want to watch the video, it's cool. If not, I really could care less. It doesn't matter. So I'm not really going to entertain the stupid comments this year. Get people that just watch every video and comment nonsense every video, like they're God's gift to hunting, which whatever, if that's you, cool. But I'm not even going to entertain stupid comments this year. Like I said, doing this for fun. So the minute that starts being taken away from me, I'll just end up deleting the comments. If I have to block you, then I will. But it's just not worth my time responding to them. So this first hunt you'll see, this is a September hunt up in northern New York with my buddy Matt Martin. We went up there, did pretty well. Killed 103 birds in 2 days. So it's pretty good hunting. We started off a little slow with the shooting a little bit, but then things came together. So it's a pretty decent video, I feel, that we put together. This will be day 1 of our hunt. Like I said, September geese up in north of Plattsburgh, Chazy area with my buddy Matt Martin. So have fun, watch this video. It's pretty good. Like I said, 65 birds, so it's a pretty good shoot. And I'll get the next video up tomorrow or the next day of day 2, which was another real good shoot. So.
We got crystal light in there?
Yes.
Did you forget my pad for my buttocks? Oh, I do have a sweatshirt.
Hurt the speeder down. Watch, that one's gonna go down.
My gun jammed.
Yeah.
That's terrible. My gun jammed.
Are you coming out?
Here.
No.
Yeah. Here. Thank you. Here.
Yes, no.
Here.
Yeah.
Here.
You don't need a lot.
Heel.
Yeah. Oh, these birthdays were just
See him coming down from up high. More behind us too.
Oh my God, my God.
Killing you. Another guy.
Oh, no, but it's up there.
Yeah, his wing's busted out. He ain't going nowhere.
Here. Here.
Another wind is
I can, yep. Here. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. There it is.
Just get right on, That's what duck boat used to do, and he said no.
Is that Nick throwing a launch?
No.
No,
Let's go. Tim, unless you want to run out and help.
Want to grab some, Tim? Yeah, give me your gun. I'll hold it.
Got it.
Why? What's up?
Huh?
You alright?
he's peeking.
Good boy. Stuff goes up. Hey, let's go. Come here. Here you come.
Good boy, Tim.
shot on one shot.
And that's stone cold dead, that bird.
Yeah, whoever shot that.
I shot at that bird, but not to say other ones didn't shoot at it.
Shot mine over here.
Yeah, they are.
Sit. Sit.
Two back coming at us, back left corner.
Two back.
2 singles.
Pair singles.
Sounds good.
They're locked. Locked right up.
Oh,
He's got a white belly.
Panel.
He's got a white belly.
Yeah, that's what.
They're out. They're gone.
Oh, there's a single coming down from the head. Right off front, right off front.
Take these birds out. Oh, fuck. Shoot them. Come. God. You went for that left bird?
I only took one
Yeah, I
shot.
saw
I
it.
can't.
Get down.
He's in the center. Just doing the decoys.
Watch the bird coming around.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Snap.
Kennel. Kennel.
This
Kennel.
one to the far left got crushed.
Kennel.
But
Kennel.
None of these birds are
shoot them when they're out front, dude. Don't let them get by us.
now.
Oh.
Kennel.
I don't know. All I heard was.
I just watched. I I'm not raising them.
Go!
Kennel. Kennel.
Well, you're so grateful for that one. You're gonna help clean them all. Hey, 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 hey!
Hey, hey. Scout. Scouty scout.